This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Framer versus Figma sites. Framer is a powerful design tool that excels in creating interactive prototypes and publishing live websites directly from your designs, often without writing a single line of code. On the other hand, Figma is a leading collaborative interface design tool, primarily focused on user interface and user experience design, offering robust prototyping features. The core difference lies in Framer's emphasis on turning designs into functional sites, while Figma prioritizes collaborative design workflows and extensive UI/UX capabilities. Framer offers significant advantages for designers looking to bring their creations to life as actual websites. It allows you to build and publish fully functional sites directly, bypassing traditional coding. You'll find advanced animation and interaction capabilities, perfect for crafting high-fidelity prototypes that truly stand out. Framer also provides a robust component system and integrates seamlessly with various development tools, enabling you to host your sites directly, often with custom domains, giving you complete control over your online presence. Figma shines with its unparalleled real-time collaborative features, allowing multiple designers to work on the same project simultaneously, fostering seamless teamwork. It provides a comprehensive suite of UI and UX design tools, including powerful vector editing and intuitive prototyping functionalities. Figma boasts a vast and active community, along with a rich plugin ecosystem that significantly extends its capabilities. Its ease of use and accessibility make it a top choice for design teams of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises across the globe. When deciding between Framer and Figma, consider your primary objectives. Choose Framer if your main goal is to build and publish interactive, code-free websites directly from your designs, especially for landing pages or portfolios. Opt for Figma if you prioritize collaborative UI and UX design, extensive prototyping, and leveraging a broad design ecosystem for complex applications. Evaluate your team's workflow and specific project requirements carefully. Both tools offer free tiers or trials, allowing you to thoroughly assess which one best suits your needs before making a commitment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.